When choosing the suitable gutter material for your home, it pays to consult with a professional contractor. They can help you assess your needs and choose the best material to suit your budget and requirements. An experienced contractor can be valuable when selecting suitable gutter material for your home. They can help you choose appropriate materials based on the climate in your area and the style of your home. They can oversee the environment and the type of your home, which can affect the factors when selecting the suitable material that matches your home. Climate. The climate in your area will play a significant role in determining the best gutter material for your home. Suppose you live in a location with severe weather conditions. In that case, you'll need to choose a material that can withstand high winds and heavy rains. Style of home. The style of your home will also impact the type of material you choose. For example, if you have a traditional style home, aluminum material would be a good choice. Baton Rouge Gutter Services offers a large number of gutter services. We can provide complete services for all your needs, from installation, cleaning, repair, and replacement. Contact us as we discuss all of your options and concerns regarding your project.